Hi friends, welcome to Fresh Bites. In this video we are going to see how to make crispy coconut biscuits using wheat flour. These can be baked inside the oven or it can also be done over a stove top. So I'm going to be showing you both the ways. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. First I'm going to grease the idli molds with butter. I'm going to use only the top 3 plates. I don't prefer using the bottom plate because the biscuits gets overcooked and they turn brown. And then sprinkle some flour on top and keep them aside. Let's look at the ingredients that are needed. I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of desiccated coconut. In a large mixing bowl, I am going to first add the powdered sugar, 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of desiccated coconut and finally the baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients first and then add the melted butter. Now let's mix everything together and knead them to a dough. Do not knead it too tight. Just knead them very gently. Take a small portion of the mixture and roll it into a smooth ball and lightly flatten it by pressing in the middle. Roll them well on both sides in the designated coconut and place them over the dusted idli plates. I have left the bottom plate empty because it always turns the cookies either very brown or overcooked. Now I'm going to place all the other plates on top of it. Before you cook, always ensure that the idli mold is placed above the holes. Simultaneously, I am going to bake some cookies in the oven as well. So I have taken a baking tray and placed a parchment paper over it. I am going to shape the rest of the mixture and place it on the tray. I have taken a heavy bottomed pan and added a layer of salt, and I have already preheated this for 10 minutes with the lid closed. Now I am going to place the idli plates inside it, cover them and cook this on a medium flame. Wait until the biscuits turn light brown in color. It has taken approximately 25 minutes for it to cook. I kept altering the plates every 10 minutes so all the biscuits gets cooked evenly. Let's bake the rest of the biscuits in the oven. I have already preheated the oven at 350 degrees. This will take 12 to 15 minutes to get baked perfectly. Allow this to cool completely. The healthy, crunchy and tasty coconut atta biscuits is ready to be enjoyed as an evening snack. Please do try this recipe for your kids and family and I'm sure they are going to love this. Thanks for watching the video.